So this is the larynx, and you're showing how the cable tie goes on.
Through it, so it goes right through it. And then you fix it with another cable tie like this at the back.
Back. Is there any chance you could do that again? I'm not sure it was fully recorded, yeah. 'Cause you do it twice anyway, don't you?
Yeah.
So that's at the top of the larynx, and then this is the bottom. You're literally just sliding it through.
Yeah.
And the metal device you're using?
That's a sharpened bit of windscreen wiper spring.
And can you put it back in your windscreen's wiper afterwards? Can you just take it out, use it, or is it destroyed?
No.
You just need an old windscreen wiper to use that.
Okay, and then...
And can I just show what this looks like? So it's two... There's background. So it's two cable ties that go around...
Cable tie, and then you put another cable tie at the back.
Ah, I see. And then you just pull it,
Yeah.
so it's firmly attached. Okay.
Okay, now this is what happens if you don't use enough
Oh, enough what?
enough soap.
Okay, so when you're making the larynx, you've just got to put loads of soap.
Or you can put Vaseline.
Yeah.
In the use Vaseline on the mold. You can use Vaseline as well, but soap works as
Okay.
Soap is easier.
Yeah.
So just use.
So just detergent in water, and is that to put it around the mold and then around the larynx? Is that what you mean?
Yes, in between. So
yeah, in between.
Because silicone don't stick to soap.
Mm-hmm.
But silicone sticks to silicones.
So is that bit done?
Yeah, so let's see what...